Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine at home and you all are enjoying. But apart from enjoying at home, you are doing the concepts, you are doing your work, you are doing everything that is taught to you every day in all the class sessions. So let us start today's class. Okay. Today we are going to start with English Child Centric Booklet, Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. So turn the page. Very good. So what we are going to do today? Open your page number 9. This is your page number 9. Which page is this? This is your page number 9. As we are done with our 4 sounds and 4 letters that are A, B, C and D. So today we are going to do a quick recap to all these letters and the sound of these letters. I hope you all are done with this worksheet. Okay, let us start again with this. What you have to do, you have to look at the image. Which image is this? What is this? This is a apple. A apple. What is this? This is beaver bat. This is beaver bat. What is this? This is seeker car. What is this? This is seeker car. What is this? This is deeder duck. Deeder duck. Okay, I'll show you something. This is, we are doing this is our session number 13 and recap of letter A, B, C and D. A, be, ke, de. What is this? This is a apple. A apple. What is this? A apple. What is this? Beaver bat. Beaver bat. Now what is this? A red car. Seeker car. What is this? Seeker car. What's next? Deeder duck. Deeder duck. What is this? Deeder duck. So what you have to do over here, my dear children, this is the image of apple. This is the image of apple. So you have to circle A. You have to circle the initial, the starting sound of this image. So what's the initial sound? What's the first sound of this image is A. So you have to circle it the way it is done over here. Then this is beaver bat. So you have to circle B. You have to circle B. You will circle B. Okay. Then what is this? Seeker car. So you will circle the letter C. Then this is deeder duck. So you have to circle D. You have to circle the letter D. Okay. Now what they have asked us? Apple is sweet or bitter? What is the taste of apple? It is sweet. Okay, so you'll put a tick over here that apple is sweet. Apple is sweet. Okay, then what is the next question related to beaver bat? We play with the bat. Yes or no? So what will be the answer? Yes. What is the answer? Yes. We play with the bat. We play with the bat. Okay, what's next? This car has has windows. Does this car has windows? Yes, the car has windows. So you will put a tick on yes. Okay. What's the next question? A duck has feathers. Does the duck has feathers? Yes, the duck has feathers. Okay. So this way you have to complete this worksheet. After that, let's read what's written over here. So, make a story using picture cards above and share. Once a duck saw a car. What's the story? Once a duck saw a car. What did the duck saw? Duck ने क्या देखा? Duck saw a car. Duck saw a car. Inside the car was a bat. Inside the car was a bat. What was inside the car? There was a bat inside the car. What was inside the car? There was a bat inside the car. Inside the car was an apple. Inside the car, what another thing was there in the car? There was an apple. Basically, this is an imaginary story. Like your child can create anything. The child has to create by looking at these four objects. A short story is given over here. So this is a kind of imagination a child can do. Like a duck, the duck saw the car. The bat was there inside the car, the apple was inside the car, and child can say any of the lines by merging these four vocabulary words related to A, B, C, D. Either your child can say, I kicked the apple with the bat was on the car, the duck was inside the car. So this is all about the imagination of child. You cannot bound the child has to speak these particular lines. The child is not bound to say and learn these lines. It's all about a child's imagination, like how creative the child can be. We are giving the words, and it's not like the child has to use these basic four objects. You can use any objects related to A, B, C, D, and merging all those, the child can create any story. So this is how we want the kids to be innovative. We want they should not cram the things. Basically, cramming should not be there. They should learn in a fun manner, and they should have a innovative learning. So this is all about A, B, C, D, and this is a very important part. This is not like a child learn the letter, the child recognizes the objects related to that letter. That's all a routine process. But this way we are introducing something different to our little ones. This way their mind will think beyond their imaginations. So when they think out of the box, this is called abstract thinking. So initially we want to inculcate all these habits from this early age. Moving on to next subject. Let's listen to the rhymes first. So I am going to open my rhyme booklet. You please open your rhymes book as well. So students, here is my child-centric rhymes in action songs, Joyful Bee. Take out your book as well. Ask Mama, where's my rhymes book? Okay, now you have your book. Done. Turn the page. Turn the page. Okay, what's the rhyme over here? Peel the banana. Earlier also I requested the mothers not to force the child to learn the whole rhyme. They should hear the rhyme every day. They should listen the rhyme every day, but it's not mandatory to learn the whole rhyme. Even if they are enjoying, they are following a few of the words, so that's done with us. So let us listen to the rhyme. Though we are going with this rhyme from last 2 days, from last 2 sessions, let's listen to it again. Found a banana, found a banana just now. Found a banana, found a banana, found a banana just now. Mouth is watering, mouth is watering just now. Mouth is watering, mouth watering, mouth is watering just now. Peel the banana, peel the banana, peel the banana just now. Peel the banana, peel the banana, peel the banana just now. Eat the banana, eat the banana, eat the banana just now. Eat the banana, eat the banana, eat the banana just now. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now. So this was our rhyme, peel the banana. This is our rhyme, peel the banana. Okay. So every fruit we eat it in a different way. So how we eat banana? We peel the banana. Okay. So we are done with 3 rhymes till now. We are done with wash the apple and eat. Then rose ek phal khaye hum. Then it was peel the banana. So we are done with 3 rhymes. Moving on to next, we are having writing booklet. So I request my little ones that these days you have started writing, and I really feel glad when I see the work done by you when you used to form the standing line. So it really makes me feel glad about that. So please open your child-centric writing skills perfection toolkit Joyful Bee. Let's turn the page. Turn the page. So we were done with this standing line where the child has to start from the top and come to the bottom. Okay, the child has to start from the top and come to the end line. Now today we are going to do standing line, but what the child has to do, the child has to form it from downwards to upwards. I'll show you. The child has to start from downwards to upwards. The child has to start from downwards to upwards. You can even conduct the activity related to the same with your child in your free play area at your home. What you have to do, you just need to draw a line with the chalk, and first of all you tell the child to move straight way, move forward, then come back. So this way the child will come to know how to go down to upwards and from upwards to the bottom. This is from downwards to upwards, from downwards to upwards, downwards to upwards. नीचे से ऊपर तक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. They have to trace this line. They have to trace this line. Initially, parents, please make sure that you will circle the day for today. Then you will mention date, month, year. Then make very much sure that you will circle the weather for that particular day when your child is doing the work. And do tell them also why you are going to circle the cloud, why you are going to circle the cloud with the rain, why you are going to circle the sun. So let them know the weather of that particular day. After few days, you'll observe that they'll tell you themselves that, Mama, today is cloudy, today it's a rainy day, today is a sunny day. So you must tell them each and every day what's the weather for today. So this is standing line, but this is from downwards to upwards, downwards to upwards, downwards to upwards. Now what's the basic purpose of doing these lines? Yesterday we did from top to bottom. So this is used for writing the letters B, D, I'm calling it out by the sound, otherwise the letters are B, D, H, K, L, T, F. So when the line is formed from top to bottom, it is helpful in forming the letters B, D, H, K, L, T, F. Now today we are done with downwards to upwards. So they'll be helpful in writing letter G, P, Q, Y, F and J. P, G, P, Q, Y, F and J. So it will be helpful in forming these letters. So every formation, every pre-writing skill that we are working upon is based upon a logic that we are doing it for which letter. Like it is helpful for the child to form which letter. So you have been guided over here. One more thing, parents, if you remember, we did this activity right in the cornmeal. I hope you all remember this. Right now, when your child is, if not showing interest in the writing part, the child is not happily writing in the booklet or in the notebook, first of all give them sand, salt or wheat flour so that they can write upon that first. If they're comfortable writing, forming the standing line upon this from upwards to downwards and from bottom to upwards, so then only they'll enjoy in their notebook and their booklets. So first of all, repeat this activity with them. When they'll know the direction where they have to form the line, so they'll enjoy writing in their booklets, they will enjoy writing in their notebooks as well. So we need to give them activities basically. They all need fun learning. So this is all about the writing part for the day. This is writing standing line from downwards to upwards. We did this standing line from downwards to upwards. So children, you have to complete this half page. You have to complete this half page. Okay? And make sure you will do it yourself. You will not ask Mama to hold my hand. And I really request mothers, please don't introduce the habit of holding your child's hand. Initially, they'll be dependent upon you, and every time they'll demand help. Mama, please hold my hand. But you don't have to hold your child's hand. Let them do. It's not mandatory that they'll join these dots in a straight manner. Let them do the way they are doing, because it's the very first time they are writing. We can't expect that they'll form these lines in a straight manner. So please don't pressurize them, don't force them, and neither you'll do the work. It's your child's work. Let them do that. And I know my little ones will do this. Okay? Okay, babies? You'll do this? Very good. Now, moving on to next, I have my maths book. This is my maths book. You have the same book now? आपके पास भी है same book? So let us open the book. Child-centric Mathematics Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. This is maths book. So let me turn the page. So you were introduced with color yellow. Which color we did that day? It was yellow. That day you colored these objects. You filled this flower with color yellow. Then you filled this sun with color yellow. And I hope you remember the objects that we did with related to color yellow. Let me show you again. So these are what we are going to do now. We are going to do the objects related to color yellow. So these are the objects related to color yellow. What is this? Yellow car. What is this? Car. What is the color of the car? It's yellow. What is the color of the car? It's yellow in color. What's next? This is bell pepper. What is this? This is bell pepper. And what is the color of bell pepper? It's yellow. What is the color of bell pepper? It's yellow. What's the color of the sun? Yellow. What is the color of the sun? It's yellow in color. And what is the duck doing? The duck is going inside the water and coming out. And what is the color of the duck? It is also yellow. What is the color of the duck? It's yellow. Now what is the color of this juicy fruit? The color of this juicy fruit is yellow. And which fruit is this? This is mango. Which fruit is this? This is mango. So these all objects are related to color yellow. These all objects are related to color yellow. Yellow car, yellow bell pepper, yellow sun, yellow duck, yellow mango. Okay. So earlier we did these two objects and we did this rhyme as well. Yellow, yellow, happy fellow running through the town. Yellow, yellow, happy fellow jumping up and down. The way you used to jump up and down whole day at your home. Okay. So today we are going to color this butterfly. We are going to color this butterfly. The way they have colored it over here, the same way you have to color this. Okay. So I have my yellow crayon in my hand. Take out your yellow color and let us fill the butterfly. Otherwise it will fly away. Fill it fast. Jaldi jaldi fill karo, otherwise butterfly will fly away. Otherwise butterfly will fly away. So let us fill it with yellow color. Let us fill it with yellow color. So this way you have to complete your butterfly like this. This way you have to fill your butterfly with color yellow. You have to fill this butterfly with color yellow. Which color is this? Yellow. Which color is this? Yellow. And here is the activity given for the kids. Let the children look for yellow objects in surroundings and name them. As I have shown different objects that are related to color yellow, so you can ask your child to name out few of the objects or they have to search at home the yellow color objects. Discuss why bananas are good for health and why we need to peel some fruits like bananas and mangoes before we eat them, because they can't be eaten along with their outer part. So we have to peel them. Let's read what's written over here. A yellow basket. A basket, a basket, I found a yellow basket. A basket, a basket, I found a yellow basket. Filled it up with yellow things and around the room I passed it. Filled it up with yellow things and around the room I passed it. A basket, a basket, I found a yellow basket. So this is about color yellow. This is about colored yellow. Okay. Today we are done with 3 of our primary colors. First of all we did color red, then we did color blue, and today we are done with our color yellow. Today we are done with our color yellow. So you have to revise all these 3 primary colors: red, yellow and blue. Red, yellow and blue. So this was all about today's session, and apart from this, yesterday you were given a task to learn myself. I hope you all have revised myself, you all have learnt myself. You all have to learn it on everyday basis, and parents, make sure your child is not pressurized to learn all the 4 lines in a single go. Let them learn 2 lines, like my name is and I am a girl or boy. Then you move on to next 2 lines, what's their age, and I study in Vedanta toddlers. So this is all about today's class. This is all about today's session. We'll meet tomorrow with some more interesting things. Till then you have to revise all these things. I'll be waiting for your videos and photos. So bye. Take care.